So now I'm going to show you how to do a 3-minute timing. First, you will need to have a 3-minute timer. When I have this class as a face-to-face class, I just use a simple kitchen timer, as you will see later in this video. You can also use a timer on your phone or one on the internet. The first thing we need when we do timings is the first goldenrod sheet. You can find it on Canvas. Here's a screenshot of Canvas. And here's the first goldenrod sheet that we will look at. When you open the file, you see it's just an Excel file and it looks like this. The reason it's called a goldenrod sheet is because when we have face-to-face classes, I print this out and hand it to students who like to refer to it by its color. This color is officially called goldenrod. For online classes, you will need to submit this sheet, so I suggest you not print it out. Just record your timings on this Excel spreadsheet, so later when I ask you to submit it, you could submit it electronically and you don't have to worry about scanning it, which is something you would have to do if you print it out. So notice this sheet has room to record 34 timings. The goal is to do 60 timings in the quarter and record them all on these goldenrod sheets. Of course, you can do more than 60 also. Notice, back to the screenshot from Canvas, there are 3 goldenrod sheets, but you will probably only need 2 for the quarter. So for our first timing, notice the goldenrod sheet says we will start with the green sheet. Same with the second and third timings. Then for the fourth timing, we will change the yellow timing sheet. So what do these timing sheets look like and where can I find them? Well, here's a screenshot of Canvas again. And here are the 3 timing sheets: green, yellow, and blue. Green emphasizes the home row, numbers 4, 5, and 6. The yellow timing sheet emphasizes the top row, numbers 7, 8, and 9. And the blue timing sheet emphasizes the bottom row, numbers 1, 2, and 3. Remember, you only need one timing this quarter with a speed of 150 keystrokes and 90% accuracy. It can be on any of the sheets, green, blue, or yellow. You will likely end up having a favorite sheet. Most students like the green sheet because it emphasizes the home row. But some students prefer yellow and some prefer blue. So, according to the goldenrod sheet, timing number 1 says we're going to start with the green sheet. So let's look at the green sheet carefully. Remember, for these timings, we are adding these columns. It's addition by touch. When you start a timing, you will start your timer, and then on the green sheet, you would add 4005 plus 4150 plus 4259 plus 4368 plus 4536. Next, you would press the asterisk key to tell the calculator you are done adding these numbers and to print the total on the paper. Then you move to column 2 and add 4,590 plus 4,635, etc. When the timing is over, you will check to see if your tape has this total on it for the first column, 21,318. So do not type 21,318 on your calculator when you're doing the timing. You would also check to see if you got the other column totals correct when you are done with the timing. Notice the columns are numbered. After adding column 1, you move to column 2. So when you do the timings, which are 3 minutes long, you add as many columns as you can, and each column is an individual addition problem. So you do as many as you can in 3 minutes, going from left to right. If you're fast enough to finish the first 8 columns in 3 minutes, then move to the next column, going as far as you can before your 3 minutes are up. As you get faster over the quarter, you may even be able to finish the whole sheet in under 3 minutes, in which case you go back to column 1 and keep going until your 3 minutes are up. So let's say we finish 3 columns and part of the 4th column, which is about average for your first timing. You would calculate your speed and accuracy, which I will show you how to do in other videos. And then, for your next timing, you would consult the goldenrod sheet. You would look at timing number 2 and notice it tells you to try the green sheet again. And then this is critical. When you do that next timing, you start the next timing at the first column again. So you always start every timing with column 1, no matter what color timing sheet it is. So if you're wondering how far you should be able to get on the green sheet by the end of the quarter, we can do some math to figure it out. So remember, the minimum speed you need to work your way up to is 150 keystrokes per minute. And each timing is 3 minutes. So doing the math, 150 keystrokes times 3 minutes equals 450 keystrokes. So where on the green sheet is 450 keystrokes? Well, at the bottom of each column is the cumulative total of keystrokes. So if you finish only the first column in 3 minutes, your total number of keystrokes is 26. If you finish 3 columns, the total number of keystrokes is 78. And remember, for your first timing, the average student finishes about 3 columns. And if 3 columns is 78 keystrokes, we take 78 divided by 3 minutes equals a speed of about 26 keystrokes per minute. So on your first timing, you will probably get around 26 keystrokes per minute. But to get to the 450 keystrokes, you will need to work your way up to here by the end of the quarter. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to do your first timing. I will go very slow in order for you to see exactly how to do a timing.